the new IT rules for social media comes into effect, there is no end to this digital war between the centre and tech giants. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry has given a 15-day deadline to digital media to furnish details in terms of compliance with the new guidelines. IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad also tweeted concerns of breach of privacy, particularly on WhatsApp, reiterating that government fully respects privacy of individuals. He then went on to say that normal users of messaging app have absolutely no reason to worry about the new guidelines. The centre has sent another strongly worded letter to social media companies seeking details of compliance and asked firms to appoint compliance officers and grievance redressal officers. This has prompted a response by Twitter, which has chosen to highlight what it sees and perceives as intimidation tactics by the police against its employees. Twitter has said it is committed to following laws in India. Facebook has maintained it aims to comply with the new rules and will continue to discuss a few issues it has which need more engagement with the centre. Google in its statement has said that they have consistently invested in personnel to ensure combating illegal content in an effective and fair way. So as the centre directed social media platforms for details of compliance on the new digital rules. What are these digital rules? The IT Ministry sought their response. Facebook and Google have said they are working on compliance with the guidelines. Twitter, which already is on a collision course with the government, is yet to directly respond.
It's big tech versus the government of India. As new IT rules for social media companies take effect, large digital platforms, Facebook and Google, have said they are working towards meeting compliance requirements. But here's what the fresh guidelines for social media say. Tech firms need to appoint three types of officials: a chief compliance officer, who will ensure that new rules are followed; a nodal officer, who will be in touch with law enforcement agencies 24/7 to remove or block any illegal or inflammatory content; a resident grievance officer, who will acknowledge grievances within 24 hours and respond to complaints within 15 days. Companies also need to identify the first originator of any controversial or disputed message. The three official panel will be liable if any illegal content is shared over their platforms. Non-compliance with rules would result in these social media companies losing their intermediary status that provides them exemptions and specified immunity from liabilities for any third-party information and content hosted by them. In other words, if the tech giants don't comply, they will be liable for action. While Facebook and Google have said they are working on complying with the new IT rules, Twitter has not commented on it so far. Its Indian rival Coup has said it has complied with the requirements of the new guidelines. WhatsApp has challenged the new IT rules in Delhi High Court. YouTube too is yet to respond. Apart from the digital war, a political war has also erupted, with the opposition accusing the Modi government of bullying and intimidation.
What happens when you start finding the end-to-end encryption and tracing the first originator and direction to stop? What happens to privacy? It is blown up by a bomb called the Modi government bomb. This is complete censorship, complete thought control, complete terrorizing of the social media, complete control freak.
What we have unfortunately seen coming from the government of India is, instead of seeking accountability, they are seeking control. Instead of ensuring that rights of citizens are maintained and free and fair news stories reach to them, we have seen that they're trying to control what is being read, what is being shared, and anyone who has a differing point of view will be held accountable.
The centre has been on the warpath with social media giants, especially Twitter, for a while now. But the question is, can internet really be policed? Bureau Report, India Today.